Hello everyone, welcome back again. In today's tutorial I am going to show you how to create animated infographic timeline with 4 options. So let's see how to do this in PowerPoint. First go to Insert tab, Shapes and insert rounded rectangle shape. Duplicate the shape and place that in its original position. Insert another rectangle and overlap with the rounded rectangle shapes. Select the rounded rectangle, new rectangle, and subtract. Now select the new custom shape and change its color, remove outline. Then select the base shape, remove outline, add white fill and any outer shadow. Add shadow to the top custom shape also. To add the glossy effect, insert the parallelogram shape. Duplicate the shape and place that in its original position. Duplicate the shape again, overlap to the edge and do intersect. Move that shape little away. Remove outline and add white fill. Then add transparency of 75 to 80%. Insert a circle, align that to the center to the white shape. Remove outline. Insert rectangle, place that overlapping both the white rectangle and circle. Remove outline. Change the circle color to yellow and bring that to front. Duplicate the circle and place that overlapping the rectangle and increase its height. Changes its fill to white. Duplicate the shape and place that to the other side of the rectangle. Now change both the fill color to red. Duplicate the yellow circle and change its fill color also to red. Then again duplicate it. Select all the red fill shapes and combine using union. Then select the blue rectangle and red shapes and do subtract. Duplicate the yellow circle and place that in its original position. Decrease its size, change its color to dark. Then merge both the yellow circle and rectangle. Then select both the merged shape and white base shape and merge again. Now add the content to the layout. Duplicate the segments. Distribute and align that to the middle, center to the slide. Add different colors to different segments. Insert rounded rectangle. Send to back. Remove outline and add light gray fill. Update the contents. Add icons. Group each segments. Our layout is ready. Let's add animation. Add fly-in animation to the light gray rectangle. Effect options from right, and animation starts with unclick. Then select each segment from last 4, 3, 2, and 1, go to size and properties and change its rotation to 6 degrees. Add fly-in animation, effect option from left, starts with previous. Then add spin animation. Starts with previous. Select only the spin animations, click drop down to animation effects, spin, to counterclockwise, and the custom rotation to 6 degrees. Then rearrange the animations and timings as in my screen. So here it's our final slideshow. Hope you liked it. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Also don't forget to click notification bell icon. Thanks a lot for watching this video. See you in my next video.